This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser scam that is related to the site Defender-box.xyz. Some people may suddenly see these pop-ups by Defender-box.xyz. All these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They claim to be somehow related to the well-known security programs. But there is no connection between these pop-ups and those well-known security programs. So be careful, don't ever interact with them. They are totally faulty. Defender-box.xyz may redirect you to many other shady and very deceptive websites. Because of that, the computer may eventually be infected. So be very careful, don't install anything that these pop-ups might suggest. I would recommend that you thoroughly examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin examining your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.